Welcome to another tutorial. First of all, like and subscribe to my channel. Open the pixelLab, select the text option, edit by rating. Select the size, adjust the size. Select the font, adjust the font. Copy the letter, change the color, adjust the color. Save the letter, select save option. Adjust the save confirmation. Then select 3D shape. Enable button on. Change the color, select color option. Adjust the color. Light angle. Select the shadow option. Enable button on. Adjust the letter. Change the background color, select color option. Enable button on. Adjust the color. Please like the video and subscribe the channel.